Mr. Solomon,
Yes, sir.
you have gotten the last few months ago.
Yes.
How is it benefiting you?
Okay. So, welcome to Manaland Farms, and we are happy Mr. Abdul Aziz has visited us today since he did the setup. Always when he's coming to Accra, Faako Aquaponics, he cares so much about his client that he will tell them, I'm coming if anybody needs any help. Yes. And today he's seeing how the RAS system has benefited us. We are cleaning the water. Come and see how dirty the water is. The smell is very bad. All had been accumulated from the pond because the RAS system. Today we are cleaning it. We just cleaned the mesh filter. And there's a second mesh filter here. We'll also be bringing it out. But when you see the water here, had it not been the RAS system, all this would have accumulated in the pond, and the ammonia buildup will be very disastrous to the fishes. So regular cleanup helps the system to work perfectly. It's been about almost 3 months now. I've not changed this water, and the fishes are going well. I just frequently top up and regularly clean the mesh filters so that it will let the RAS system work good. So you see the dirty water going from this filter. Very bad. It would have caused a lot of havoc to my fishes. I do a lot of water management, and the RAS system is one system that is helping Manaland Farms a lot. And because of that, we spend a lot of water changing for our fingerlings, fries and fingerlings. So we don't want to spend so much water for our grow out too. So it helps us to manage our grow out fishes, the water for them, so that we can concentrate on fresh water for the fingerlings. So if you need fingerlings to supply the whole Ghana, you can contact Faako Aquaponics or contact us directly. We can give you fingerlings.
Thank you so much. Malaland Investment CEO Mr. Solomon is located at Faako, Accra.
Yes.
He produces fingerlings, both catfish and tilapia in large quantities. If you need fingerlings or if you also need training on hatching or any other service in fish farming, contact us. His contact details is just on the screen. Contact him and you will supply, or contact us directly and we can help you supply the fingerlings. As you can see, we are just sorting fingerlings out to supply the clients. Thank you so much. And if you're interested in the recycle aquaculture system, that contact us, we'll set it up for you. And if you want to learn it yourself, we have a DIY where you teach everything in details, how to do it yourself. We have a link in the video, click on it, enroll in that course, and you will learn, and everything will be fine for you so that you can do it yourself by purchasing that course. Thank you, and I will see you there. Bye bye.